good morning. Today, I'm gonna show you my internship journey in IG Sabroso Construction Services. So, company overview. Company is IG Sabroso Construction Services. It is located at 3rd floor Keystone Building, Barangay San Isidro Labrador 2, Dasmariñas, Cavite. So, it was founded in 2021, and IG Sabroso Construction Services is a new construction company renowned for delivering high quality, innovative, and sustainable building solutions with a commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. The company has established a strong reputation in the construction industry. Their mission is to build durable and aesthetically pleasing structures while maintaining a commitment to sustainability and safety. We aim to exceed client expectations through exceptional services and innovative solutions. Vision: to be a primary construction company recognized for dedication to quality, innovation, and sustainability in every project we undertake. So, the clientele IG Sabrosa services is a diverse range of client, it, including homeowners, business, and industrial firm. Their ability to tailor services to meet the specific needs of each of their client has earned them a loyal customer base of numerous repeat clients. So the service that they offered is residential construction, commercial construction, and project management. So this is the three sites that I handled. First is that a two-story residential located at Avida South Group by Ayala Land, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Next is a two-story residential located at the Orchard Golf and Residence. And third is a three-story residential located at Athena Palace, Imus, Cavite. So, and Grand Park Place, Athena Park Place. During my internship, I was assigned 3 weeks in Athena Palace. So, it was my last site before I end my internship in IG Sabroso. I learned many things in my internship. I fabricate column, I erect column, we did concrete pouring, scaffolding, frameworks. I also did BOQ. I also did experience ordering materials. So, I learned many things in my internship. Like, I learned how different planning to reality is. And I also learned how important manpower in construction. I also um, learned how activity schedule is important, how stressful and hard construction industry is, and I also learned how to handle workers without offending them. One of my aha moment in my internship journey in IGS Abroso is the concrete pouring in Athena Palace because it was my first time experiencing that moment. It was like, wow, wow. Next is I'm gonna present to you the video interview of me and Foreman Kenneth.
Ito po yung tanong ko po is, para sa'yo, ano po yung strength and weaknesses ko po?
Ang ano, bilang intern, ang strength mo ay willing kang matuto at saka may eagerness ka sa mga bagay-bagay. And yung trabaho na dapat sa mga magiging tao mo sa future, kaya mo siyang kumbaga in-execute mo muna para alam mo yung yung kung mahirap ba, kung dapat ba ganito, ganyan. And then, ang weakness mo naman is yung konting focus lang sa goal mo. Example, yung sa mga project natin, kailangan kung ano yung magiging, mag-focus ka kung example, sa project, kung paano ba yung magiging katapusan mo. Yun lang naman, wala naman. Good job ka naman.
So, that's all. Thank you!